You want to make a killer steak taco? Let's talk. The right taco can turn a bad day around, make friends out of strangers, and if done right, feel like a borderline religious experience. Trust me on this. The first mistake people make, they overcomplicate it. Tacos should be simple but powerful. Great steak tacos don't need fancy marinades that take 12 hours. What they need is good meat, seasoned properly, and cooked like your life depends on it. Start with flank steak or skirt steak. Why? They're affordable, full of flavor, and they work beautifully when sliced thin. Bonus, because they're thin, they cook quickly, which is great if you're hangry like me. Here's the rub, literally. Mix salt, black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and cumin. Don't skimp on the salt, it's the single most important ingredient for flavor. Coat both sides generously like you're giving it the best spa day ever. The pro move here is to bring the steak to room temperature before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. If you go straight from the fridge to the pan, you're asking for uneven doneness, and no one wants chewy tacos. Heat up your pan or grill until it's screaming hot. Seriously, you want it blazing. A cold or medium heat pan? That's amateur hour. High heat gives you that insane crust on the outside of the steak. That crust is the flavor jackpot. Toss the steak on the heat and let it sear. Don't touch it for 3 to 4 minutes. No poking, no flipping. Let the heat do its thing. You're aiming for a crust so good it could Instagram itself. Then flip and repeat. Once cooked, let the steak sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting time is mandatory. Skip this step and you'll lose all the juices that make the steak melt in your mouth good. This is the most painful part, but also the most important. While the steak rests, warm your tortillas. Yes, this matters. Toss them on a dry skillet or directly on the flame for about 15 seconds per side. A cold tortilla is a crime against tacos. Don't be that person. Slice the steak against the grain. This is non-negotiable. Cutting against the grain shortens the muscle fibers, making the meat tender and easy to chew. If you're slicing it willy-nilly, just throw it all away and order pizza instead. Now assemble. Tortilla, steak, and the essentials. Fresh cilantro and diced onion, maybe a hit of lime juice. If you want to get fancy, add some salsa verde or a little queso fresco. But honestly, less is more here. The biggest pain point people have is overloading their tacos. Don't do it. Tacos aren't delivery burritos. Keep it light and balanced so the flavor of the steak shines through. That steak should be the star of the show. And there you have it. Steak tacos that are simple, flavorful, and worthy of your time. You'll wonder why you even bothered with takeout before. And, hey, your friends might even think you're a genius. You're welcome.